Good morning students, welcome back in our science online class. In previous video, we already have learned about the different types of soils. Now today, we are going to learn the layers of the soils. Layers, can you see here layers? First layer, second layer, third layer. So these layers are also called as the horizons, students. Okay. So today we are going to learn the different layers of soil and the composition of that soil also. Different layers, how they are composed, what things are present or what things are consist of that layers of the soil. So that we are going to learn. So first you can see students this surface. So this is the, can you see here? So this surface is called the layer, this is the first layer. Okay students, this is the first layer and we can call to this layer topsoil, or it is also called a horizon. What we can call students? A horizon. So this is first layer. It is also called as the topsoil. So we can write here first point, topsoil is the uppermost layer of soil. Is it correct students? Topsoil, this soil, okay, I will draw the line here. Topsoil is the uppermost layer of soil. Second point you can make students like this. This soil consists of, or it consists of sand, clay, air, water and humus. See here, this soil contain, or it consists of sand, clay, air, water and humus. Okay. Now humus is what? Humus means that is the decomposed organic material, which is, or it is also called as nutrients. Means this topsoil contains nutrients for the plant, which is very good for the growth of plant. So you can write, this is the second point. Okay, it consists of sand, clay, water, air and humus. It is rich in nutrients. This top layer is rich in nutrients that plants require for growth. So this top layer consists of nutrients, which is nutrients that is very good for the growth of plant or required for the growth of plant. Human being also require nutrients. Okay. Now same thing now second layer. Now see, this is about the first layer. Okay students, understood first layer? Now we go to the second layer. Second layer, B horizon is also called subsoil. Or this is the topsoil. A horizon or the first layer is also called topsoil. Second layer, subsoil. Now this subsoil present below the topsoil. Can you see? This is the first layer, and below this first layer there is a second layer. Now this is called the second layer. So below the topsoil there is one more layer that is called subsoil, and this subsoil consists of some sand particles and some clay particles, but this soil or this layer consists very less amount of organic materials, means that is called the humus. Okay, see here, this soil contains little bit rough or sandy particles. Can you see here sandy particles or big particles we can see in this second layer, and clay particles are there, but very few clay particles are there. Sandy particles are more, and organic material, or that is called the humus, is very less in this subsoil. That is why this soil is not good for the growth. Only top layer of soil, that is called the top soil, is very good for the growth of the plant. Now next layer, that is called the third layer. Below the subsoil, there is one more layer of soil, and that layer is called as bedrock, or we can also call C horizon. This is A horizon, this is B horizon, and this is C horizon. So there are three kinds of horizons, okay? A, B and C. So C horizon is also called as bedrock. So most of the part in this layer occupied or covered by the rock, okay? So this is the hard rock, and this hard rock present in the third layer of soil, that is called the bedrock. Is it clear to students? Now see what we have learned. There are three layers of soil. First layer, that is called the topsoil. Second layer is called subsoil, and third layer is called bedrock. So topsoil is also called A horizon, subsoil is also called B horizon, and bedrock is also called C horizon. Now next point, topsoil consists of sand, clay particles, air, water and humus, which is very good for the growth of the plants. Subsoil, it consists of sandy particles, clay particles, but very less humus is present in this layer. That is why the plants unable to grow in this layer. And last one, that is called the bedrock, that is completely covered by the rock particles. Okay students, so this is about the different layers of the soils. Now we will go to the next part.